Hey, Joe.
Hey, Tammy.
I have a question.
Sure, what's your question?
What is one thing an admin can do for me each day on LinkedIn?
So if you have an administrative assistant, you might want to get them to do all types of things for you. Like, for example, you might want to get them to post and come up with content for you. But assistants are typically not good at coming up with content, especially talking in your voice. It's not going to happen. So if you have a library for them, they can post content for you. Things that you already have posted in the past, they can repost. They can also engage on your behalf if you give them a list of scripts that they can use and a list of people that they can engage for you. But by far, the easiest thing that you can have an assistant do for you is to look at who viewed your profile by clicking on that link right there or bookmarking this URL. And when they see people that are your connections and that are potential clients or that are not your connections, they can engage with those people on your behalf. Like they can message people that recently connected with you and send them a pre-approved message, or people that are second-degree connections that might be an ideal client for you. They can hit the connect button and actually connect with those people. Another thing that I like to have my assistant do is to actually wish people happy birthday. So if you click on notifications and you'll go through here, it'll give you a list of people that recently had a birthday. And if you look
Is that the only place that LinkedIn shows you birthdays is in notifications?
Yeah, that's where they show your birthdays under notifications. So if you take a look at, I recently send people happy birthdays all the time. Some people are like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. But this is how I do it. I do it a little bit in a different way. I'll send a nice little colorful happy birthday and people will send me a smiley face. I might send them back a smiley face and so on. But the bottom line is what I want you to know is that whatever you're giving your assistant to do, it has to be foolproof. You can't have them strategize and think about what to do. You have to give them an exact step-by-step process. And inside our course, if you go to evergreen.com and you go into Evyrgreen Networking, inside our course, we actually have a checklist which breaks down exactly what you can give an assistant and what you should not give an assistant. And we make it really, really simple for you to be able to understand what an assistant can do for you and what they can't do for you. So go ahead and check out our course and hopefully you're enjoying these videos. Boom.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tammy.